This is Makeooz's custom figurine service. Go to Makeooz.com. Click the service to start your custom figurine. When you upload photos, at least one clear front photo plus 2 to 3 angles. These help our artists. Enter your email. We'll use it to plan your design and send order and shipping updates. Please check your spam promotions folder. Add notes for the artist: face, hairstyle, outfit, pose, etc. Within 24 hours after you place the order, you'll get a design preview by email. After you get the first preview, confirm if it's correct, or reply with what to change. We'll adjust it. Your figurine will be made in 3 to 7 days. Once it ships, you'll get tracking, and we'll keep emailing shipping updates. Start your custom at Makeooz.com now.